Okay, question 5. When an apple is dropped from a tower 256 feet high, the function below models the height of the apple in feet after t seconds. Determine algebraically the number of seconds it takes for the apple to hit the ground. So our function h of t equals negative 16t squared plus 256. So the first and most important thing is that word algebraically. If I graph this, I guarantee I already lost a point, and it's only a 2-point question. So if I make one other mistake, I'm done. So we want to start by doing the algebra. So if I'm on the ground, my height is 0. That means I'm touching the ground. So I want to set this equation equal to 0. So negative 16 t squared plus 256 equals 0. So the hardest part about this is the negative 16 in front. So I'm going to divide everything by negative 16 because remember, I'm trying to get t alone. So when I do that, these negative 16s cancel, and I'm left with t squared minus 16 equals 0. So now this is actually difference of perfect squares. The key giveaway is it's a binomial with a squared term and a perfect square at the end. So that means that both t squared and 16 are perfect squares. So I set up my double bubble and I take the square root of each. So I have plus and minus, difference of perfect squares, signs are always different. T plus 4 or t minus 4 equals 0. So my next step is inside opposite. I can set these equations up, set them both equal to 0, but since there's no number in front of t, I actually take the opposites. And either t equals positive 4 or t equals negative 4. And here's conceptual understanding. Time always moves forward. So the height of that apple is only true when t is positive. So 4 seconds after it's dropped from the tower, it touches the ground. So t equals 4, and that's true. Since we can't go back in time, t does not equal negative 4 because that is what's known as extraneous. So extraneous means it's part of the calculation, but it does not make sense in context to the problem. So we want to mark out t is negative 4 because that's not true. T can't be negative 4, t can only be positive 4. And that's the only answer to question number 5.